We'll start today's session in Sukhasana, a comfortable seated position. Come onto your sit bones, roll your shoulders back, arms on your knees or on your lap. As always, take a moment to connect to your breath before we get into movement. Take a deep breath in and roll your shoulders back as you breathe out. If it's comfortable for you, breathing through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathing in all the way to your belly. Notice the expansion. As you breathe out, feel yourself grounded on the mat with your shoulders relaxing. Inhale, raising your arms from the sides over your head. As you exhale, bringing them back down. Take a deep breath in, arms up again. As you breathe out, arms back to your side. Inhale, raising your right arm and leaning to the left, your left forearm resting on the mat. Exhale, moving back to the center. Deep breath in onto the other side, feeling a nice stretch onto your left side. Exhale, moving back to the center. Now raise both your arms up with an inhalation. As you exhale, gently twist to the right, resting your left palm on your right knee and your right palm behind you. Gaze over your right shoulder, feeling a nice stretch with a twist to your spine. Inhale, raise both your arms up again. As you breathe out, twisting to your left, gaze over your left shoulder. Focus on going deeper into your twist with every exhalation. Come back with an inhalation. And now we move to a tabletop position with your palms directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Core is engaged slightly to support your lower back. Moving on to 5 rounds of cat-cow. With an inhalation, arching your back, dropping your belly, gaze up. Exhale, rounding your back, chin to the chest. Moving through the cat-cow at your own pace. With an exhalation, tucking your toes, lifting your hips into your first downward facing dog. You can stay here stationary Or you can incorporate some dynamic movements to gently massage your spine, like pedaling your feet, swaying your hips alongside. You can also gently stretch your hamstrings by coming onto your toes and bringing your heels down. Inhale, stepping forward into a half fold. Exhale, fold forward with your fingertips on the mat and knees generously bent. Deep breath in, raising your arms up, elongating your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half fold with a flat back. Exhale, stepping back into a downward facing dog. Deep breath in, stepping your right foot forward into a low lunge. Your left knee rests on the mat. You can grab your opposite elbows behind you for a very gentle back bend. Maintaining a breath in this position, taking deep breath in. With an exhalation, twist to your right, hooking your left elbow on the outside of your right knee in a prayer position. Maintaining our breath in the twist. Inhale, palms on the mat. With an exhalation, stepping back into our downward facing dog. Inhale, reaching with your shoulders forward right above your palms in a plank. Slowly exhale as you drop down onto the mat. Inhale as you rise up from the chest into a Cobra pose. With an exhalation, tuck your toes back to our downward facing dog. Maintaining equilibrium, so we inhale and step our left foot forward into a low lunge. Grab your opposite elbows behind you as you lower your hips closer to the mat. Staying here for a few breaths. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. With an exhalation, twist to the left, hooking your right elbow to the outside of your left knee into a prayer. Giving yourself space in this twist with every exhalation. Inhale, palms back on the mat. Exhale, your left foot steps back to meet the right into a plank. Holding your breath while we lower ourselves down. Untuck your toes, taking a deep breath in, raising your chest into a Cobra. With an exhalation, tuck your toes, lifting your hips into a down dog. Inhale, stepping forward into a half fold. Your hands resting on your shins or on your ankles, wherever you find it comfortable. Exhale, fold forward. Keep your knees bent or straighten out your legs for a deeper stretch to your hamstrings. Inhale, rising up, arms above, Exhale, palms at the heart center. Now come on facing the side of the mat for a triangle pose. Feet spread out wide. Your right toe pointing to the back of the mat and your left toe pointing to the side. Take a deep breath in and extend your arms to the sides. As you exhale, reach forward with your right hand, lowering it down, gently folding to the right until your right palm is on your right shin and your left palm is facing up. You can either keep your palm on the mat or on your shin or even on a block, depending on where you are on this journey. Deep breath in and coming back slowly, hinging from our hips. Let's move on to one round of wide-legged forward fold before we attempt the triangle pose on the other side. Keeping your feet wide, engaging from all corners of your feet, your heels are in the straight line. Keep your hands on your waist as you breathe in, elongating your back. As you breathe out, hinging from your hips, not your waist, slowly fold with your chest facing forward. Keeping your palms or your fingertips on the mat, maintaining the integrity of the forward fold. Come up slightly with an inhalation and fold further with every exhalation. Breathing in, hinging from your hips, come up slowly, back to standing. Arms by your side. Now turn your left foot away from you, facing the top of the mat, and your right foot facing to the side, rotated slightly inwards. Inhale, extending your arms out to the side. With an exhalation, reaching your left arm forward and slowly folding to the left, treating both your arms as one long stick that's folding to the left. Gaze at your right palm while maintaining deep breaths in this pose. Inhale, pressing through your left foot, reach back up to standing. Turning your left toe out to the side for another round of a wide leg forward fold. Deep breath in, hands on your waist. Breathing out, hinging from your hips. Fold forward. Fingertips on the mat as you inhale and come up very slightly. As you exhale, folding further down into the pose, pressing your palms on the mat. Exhale, press your left palm on the mat as you reach with your right arm up to the sky. Inhale, Pressing the right palm down. As you exhale, reaching with your left arm up over your head. Gaze at your left arm. They say you're only as old as your spine. So we're adding different movements to improve flexibility and mobility in your spine. Left palm back on the mat. As you breathe in, hinge from your hips and slowly come back up to standing. Bringing your heel, toe and your feet together. And now lie on your back on the mat for one round of bridge pose. Bend your knees with the soles of your feet and your lower back resting on the mat. Palms facing down by your side. Take a deep breath, and as you inhale, press into your feet and your arms and slowly lift your hips up, pressing your navel into your spine, getting a gentle back bend on the way up. Scoop your shoulder blades together, and if you can, interlock your fingers underneath the bridge and keep that lift going. Making sure we're still connected to our breath. Exhale and slowly drop your hips back onto the mat. Straighten your left leg out as you bend your right knee closer to your chest and slowly shift it to the left for a gentle twist. Extend your right hand out to the side and gaze to your right. Inhale, coming back to the center, straightening out that right leg. Bringing your left knee closer to your chest for a hug. And slowly lowering it to the right. Left arm extended out, gaze to your left. Come back to the center and straighten your legs out for Shavasana. Your feet splayed out to the sides. Your palms by your side facing up, eyes closed. Breathing in and breathing out. This is where we end our practice, but you can choose to stay here for as long as you like, taking in all the movements you have done today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and like to practice with me, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Give me your feedback, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.